welcome to Insurance Business TV. We're at the National Insurance Brokers Association Convention on the Gold Coast, where we're joined by JAVLN, the broker-focused software company. David Leach is JAVLN's CEO. He's here to talk about the firm's latest tech and industry trends impacting brokers, including AI and compliance pressures. Thanks for chatting with us, David.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Danny.
Yeah, good to see you too. You say your technology that you're building is the next generation broker operating system. Where are you at in that building process, and what makes it an improvement on the existing tech?
Yeah, we're well underway. I describe it as modern cloud tech, built properly. And like other industries, really thinking carefully around APIs and integration and what I call software as a service. So software in the cloud with productized integrations to third-party systems. So for our brokers, it actually shows up as a rather simple solution that's connected.
Artificial intelligence is a bit of a hot button industry topic. How are you using that?
It is. We're using artificial intelligence significantly internally. We have everyone in the company using AI every day. I describe that as developing AI natives, and as one of the early stages of being awesome with our use of AI. So that's driving a productivity uplift and actually a lift in quality as well. And we use it using Google Gemini for everybody. And then different departments use specialist tools to do lots of interesting things. And right now we're working internally, can't say too much, but working on our products to launch our AI capability to market next year.
And how do you keep your AI compliant with regulations, particularly around how it might use sensitive personal data and also black box concerns?
Well, a long time ago, we established our internal safe use policy for AI, getting the governance right early, training our staff as well on what you're allowed to do internally with AI, what you're not allowed to do. For example, we don't put our customer data into our tool set. We're really careful with this.
Are you finding a generation divide in terms of the brokers who use it and get on board with the technology? Does it tend to be the younger brokers? And what are they expecting from tech like this?
I think yes. I think that's true in lots of industries. I think increasingly you're getting many generations working together in a single organization, and it's just leading transformational change, which is sometimes difficult change. And you've got to look after those people that are early adopters as well as the late adopters. But with the right approach to change management and leading through that, you can accommodate everybody. But definitely see those early adopters tend to be the younger generation that understand it a little bit more savvy with those tools because they're using modern tools in their personal life as well.
But brokers are often critical of the big insurance firms and their slowness adopting new technology. What's your take on technology uptake in the insurance industry?
Insurers aside, just thinking about the insurance industry, it is behind other industries. And I have a point of view on it. There is a lack of competition. I think there's a lack of integration standards. There's something about the insurance industry that is highly connected. It's not just people talking to people, it's systems need to talk to systems. And so the lack of standards, the lack of APIs has led to slow innovation. And that's where systems like JAVLN come in to have a more modern, fresh approach to this. That is a lot more similar to what happens in other more mature industries, and using that, bringing that to the industry, working with different third parties to build a connected solution in the cloud.
Let's look at your company's wider plans. What's your growth strategy in Australia, New Zealand and beyond?
We're a tech company. So first and foremost, I have a phrase, the fast eat the slow. So this is a lot about speeding up. We want to be a fast company. We also want to provide simple solutions to the end users that are rather elegant and highly convenient, but also smart solutions. So AI built in, and that combination of the speed, the smartness, and the simplicity helps to make us fresh, modern. And this is the broker operating system language that I often use is to describe that modern solution. The all-in-one solution. So a good analogy are dentists and hairdressers. They already have practice management systems, and insurance brokers deserve the same type of tech, but that doesn't exist in market. And this is what we're building. We're well underway, and we have big plans to continue this journey to build out that practice management system for the broker.
David, thanks very much for chatting with Insurance Business TV.
Welcome. Thanks, Danny.